Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. Today we will discuss about the hemopoietic system. Blood may be described as a specialized connective tissue in which there is liquid intercellular substances known as plasma and the red blood corpuscle, white blood corpuscle and platelets suspended in the plasma. Blood is red, thick, opaque and slightly alkaline. An average individual has approximately 5 liters of blood. Blood is a highly complex fluid which is composed of two parts, a liquid called plasma and different types of cells which remain suspended in the plasma. The plasma constitutes about 55% and the cells about 45% of the total volume of human blood. Cells, red blood corpuscles or erythrocytes, white blood corpuscles or leukocytes, platelets or thrombocytes. Plasma, water contains 91 to 92% and solid contains 8 to 9%. Solid containing inorganic and organic constituents. Inorganic constituents: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, copper, etc. Organic constituents: proteins, serum albumin, serum globulin, fibrinogen, prothrombin. Non-protein nitrogenous substances: urea, uric acid, xanthin, hypoxanthine, creatine, creatinine, ammonia, amino acid, etc. Functions of blood: transportation of respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide, transportation of nutrients. It acts as a vehicle through which hormones, vitamins and other chemicals are brought to their places of activity. Drainage of waste products. Maintain water balance of the body. Maintain of acid-base balance of the body. Maintain the iron balance of the body. Regulation of body temperature. Defensive action in two ways. 1. It develops antibodies which combat against toxins. 2. Phagocytosis. White blood corpuscles engulf bacteria and foreign particles. Coagulation. It guards against hemorrhage. The plasma protein of blood have various functions. Regulation of blood pressure. Coagulation of blood. When blood is shed, it loses its fluidity in a few minutes and sets into a semi-solid jelly. This phenomenon is called coagulation or clotting. The clot retracts to a smaller volume and passes out a clear straw-colored fluid called serum. Serum will not clot. It is to be noted that coagulation is the property of plasma alone. RBC and WBC don't take part in it. Blood platelet takes some part in the process. Normal coagulation time is 6 to 17 minutes. Importance of coagulation. The phenomenon of coagulation is of enormous physiological importance. Its purpose is to stop further bleeding. When bleeding occurs, the shed blood coagulates and the blood vessels are plugged off by the clot and bleeding stops. Mechanism of coagulation. When blood is shed, the platelets disintegrate and liberate thromboplastin. Thromboplastin converts prothrombin into thrombin with the help of calcium ions. Thrombin interacts with fibrinogen to form fibrin. This is clot. Blood volume. The term blood volume means the total amount of blood in circulation as well as in the blood stores. Blood volume in relation to body weight in human, that is 70 ml per kg body weight. A man weighing 70 kg has about 5 liters of blood in his circulation. Causes of blood volume decrease: 1. Loss of whole blood, that is hemorrhage. 2. Reduction in number of red blood corpuscles, that is anemia. 3. Loss of plasma alone. 4. Loss of water or anhydremia. 5. Acute exposure of cold causes moderate loss. 6. Posture. Blood volume is low in the erect position than in the recumbent state. Causes of blood volume increase: high temperature, muscular exercise, emotional excitement, pregnancy, congestive heart failure, administration of mineralocorticoids. Thrombosis. Thrombosis is a clot formed inside the blood vessels. Thrombus is formed due to slowing of blood circulation and damage of vascular endothelium. Masses of platelets are deposited on the damaged endothelium. Filaments of fibrin form a network in this region. The fibrin entangled in the lamellae of platelets forms the thrombus or clot. Intravascular thrombosis sometimes occurs in coronary and cerebral vessels, which are called coronary thrombosis or cerebral thrombosis respectively. After surgical operation, thrombosis may occur. Bone marrow. The term bone marrow and myeloid tissue are often used synonymously. Myelos, meaning marrow, is confined in the cavities of the bone in the postnatal life. Bone marrow is the cellulovascular tissue occupying the medullary cavities and the casellar spaces of the bone. Active marrow in the adult is estimated at 3.5 to 6% of body weight. The volume of marrow is 70 ml at birth and about 4000 ml in the adult. In the adult, only about half the marrow is in active state, known as red bone marrow, the remainder being inactive, known as yellow bone marrow. Though the yellow bone marrow is inactive, yet it has the capacity of resuming its activity to produce blood cells during urgent need. Under such condition, a certain portion of yellow bone marrow is converted into the red bone marrow. Red bone marrow. Red blood corpuscles are actively manufactured here. After birth, all the bone marrow is the main site of erythrogenesis. During early years of life, all bones are filled up with blood-forming red bone marrow. By the 20th year, almost all long bones are replaced with inactive yellow bone marrow and RBC formation in this location stops. Only the upper end of femur and humerus contain red bone marrow and continue to form RBC throughout life. In addition to this, the vertebra, the ribs and the flat bones also produce RBC continuously. Functions of RBC: 1. Respiratory, carry oxygen and carbon dioxide. 2. Maintain acid-base balance. 3. Maintain ionic balance in the blood. 4. Viscosity of blood. 5. Various pigments are derived from hemoglobin after the disintegration of RBC, that is bilirubin, biliverdin, etc. White blood corpuscles. WBCs are important variety of blood cells. They play an important role in the defensive mechanism of the human body. The average ratio of total WBC count with RBC in human blood is 1:700. That is, for 1 WBC, there are 700 RBCs. WBC doesn't contain any hemoglobin. WBC is nucleated living cell. WBC is bigger in size than RBC. WBC is actively amoeboid. Lifespan of WBC is shorter than RBC. Origin of WBC is purely from extravascular tissue. Functions of WBC are absolutely different than RBC. WBCs have several varieties, whereas RBC has only one variety. During pregnancy and menstruation, the total count of WBC will increase. Different types of WBCs are monocyte, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocyte, and neutrophil. Platelets or thrombocytes. Platelets are non-nucleated, round or oval, biconvex, disc-shaped cells of blood. In ordinary, blood platelets are generally not seen separately but in clumps. When blood is shed, the platelet cells disintegrate and liberate thromboplastin, which activates prothrombin into thrombin. Platelets initiate blood clotting. Average life of platelet is about 5 to 9 days. They are destroyed in the spleen and other reticuloendothelial cells. The average number of platelets in blood is 250,000 to 450,000 per cubic millimeter. Hemoglobin is the red pigment of blood. It is a chromoprotein, consists of two parts. 1. Globin. It is the protein part, contains 96%. To heme, non-specific iron containing pigment 4%. The most characteristic property of hemoglobin is the ease with which it combines with oxygen and dissociates from it. 1 gram of hemoglobin combines at normal temperature and pressure with 1.34 ml of oxygen. The average adult, irrespective of sex, hemoglobin is 14.5 gram in 100 ml of blood. In adult female, the average is 13.7%, and in adult male, the average is 15.8% hemoglobin in 100 ml of blood. Functions of hemoglobin. It is essential for oxygen carriage. It plays an important part in carbon dioxide transport. It maintains acid-base balance of body. Various pigments of bile, stool, urine, etc. are formed from hemoglobin. Anemia. Deficiency of red blood corpuscle in blood causes anemia. It might be due to either excess blood loss or increased destruction of RBC, that is hemolysis. It might also result of either defensive formation in bone marrow, aplastic anemia, or deficiency of maturing factor or nutritional defects. Antigen. Antigens are generally composed of protein nucleus and polysaccharides or mucopolysaccharides, bacterial or other foreign protein entering bloodstream or tissues are called antigens. Antibodies. The specific protein formed in blood plasma as a result of these antigens are antibodies or immune bodies. They are members of plasma protein. Blood group. Human beings may be put into 4 different groups according to the nature of agglutinogen processed by their corpuscles. These groups are called A, B, AB and O. Rh factor. Another important agglutinogen has been demonstrated in lumen red corpuscles. Recent study indicates that the Rh factor is not a single entity. There are 6 different Rh agglutinogens: capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E and small e. One of these, capital D and small d, are the commonest. Hence, group capital D and capital D, small d, collectively called capital D group, will be Rh positive and group small d will be Rh negative. Practically, all Rh positive people belongs to capital D group and Rh negative people are to group small d. Before blood transfusion, the test of Rh factor should be carefully done. If Rh positive blood transfused to a Rh negative patient, then an anti-Rh factor will develop in the patient's blood in about 12 days. Immunity. Bacterial or other foreign proteins entering bloodstream and tissues are called antigens. Antigens are generally composed of protein nucleus and polysaccharides or mucopolysaccharides. The specific proteins formed in blood plasma as a result of these antigens are antibodies or immune bodies. They are the number of the white globin fraction of plasma proteins. Types of antibodies. 1. Agglutinins, those which clumps together the antigens. 2. Cytolysins or hemolysins, antibodies, those are responsible for hemolysis of the RBC or cytolysis of cells. 3. Precipitins, those which cause the precipitation of foreign proteins. 4. Antitoxins, produced as a result of entry of certain toxins to neutralize them. Immunity is a defense mechanism against microorganisms, toxin produced by microorganisms or foreign proteins. An animal might be permanently resistant to any of the above 3 agents from birth, in which case it is named as natural immunity. An active acquired immunity might be due to resisted attack from particular microorganisms, closely similar microorganisms, attenuated microorganisms, killed microorganisms, modified toxins. Serum of an animal containing antitoxin produced as a result of active immunity, if injected into human beings, produces passive immunity within a short time. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.